Hello, my name is Cosmel. I'm recording this video on an external application because Loom is not actually working for me when I'm trying to record using my virtual machine. So anyway, to explain the project, my project was basically using an API. The API that I'm using is GitHub API. Uh, what I what I do is basically retrieve the information from the API from any user that we submit inside of this form. The way that it works, basically, well, let me just explain how the whole project is divided. So I have actions. The actions are basically the ones that are going to be dispatching to the reducer uh, what action is going to be is what action is going to be performed. So let me just give an example. If I go to my index and I'm going to be dispatching the the search users, which is the action that I want to do. This is going to grab first the username with the text right here. It's going to grab it. That user will be then dispatching the type users. This is going to go to my reducers. The reducer will actually initialize the state with an array with an empty array. The user will be basically empty. Will be an empty object. The repos will be empty as well. This is where the search user action comes in from the actions here. So what I do is I'm going to get back the initial state. I'm going to display to the users the action payload, which is all this information coming from the API. All right. That's the reason why when I click on this, on any of these particular users, will display the information of um, the name, the username, the name of the person, their bio, whether it's available or not, their GitHub profile, and the latest 5 repos that they're working on. So that's basically the way that it works. The actions will fire one of those dispatch the correct action going to the reducer, which is going to be right here. This will be the one taking in consideration what the action will be performed, and then with the information that I get from my reducer, that will be displayed, that will be available to my entire application because Redux inside of my index is basically combining all of the reducers. The store will be the one that will be able to help me uh, pass all the information from any of the actions and the states and the initial state, whatever actions I want, whatever state I want, will be available to all of my application because I'm wrapping the whole entire app in the provider and with the store. All right. As you can see, I'm using routers to get to different links of the page. I actually have two, which is the about page and the home page. So with that being said, I got the navbar component, I got the alert component. Once again, this button will be showing only if we have results displayed. If we have nothing, no results displayed, and we want to make like a request, it will actually say, hey, please, this is some sort of a validation. It will say, hey, please enter something. It will disappear in basically 3 seconds. But like I said, I actually have the provider that is actually getting the store and is wrapping the entire application. The router will be the one connecting the links that I have right here. This is coming from the pages. I actually have 3 pages, one which is the about page, the other is the home page, and the other one is will be the not found page, which basically is if I try to go to any location here, it will actually come on, it will tell me page not found. All right, going back to the home page. Um, Just to explain the rest, I actually made different tests. For example, npm run test. Total of, if I'm not mistaken, 12 tests. All right, so 12 tests complete. They all passed. Again, I do apologize if the video wasn't recording or showing my face because Loom is not working correctly for me. Anytime that I try to use Loom with my virtual machine, it's not working for any reason. I did the first part of the video using my Windows machine and it actually worked. But the second part, which is this video, I'm actually doing it only using a third party, right? So thanks a lot. Bye bye.